So many people have been asking me, how exactly can somebody make money using AI? And honestly, I understand why people are asking that question because a lot of people are still confused. Some people are scared of AI. Some people think it is too technical. Some people think you must be a programmer before you can use it. But that is not absolutely true. So in this video, I want to break down simple and realistic ways people are already using AI to make money in 2026. And I'm not talking theory. I'm talking about real things I have personally done, things I've seen people do, and things that are already working right now. So let's start with number one. Number one, you can use AI to turn your knowledge into digital products. See, gone are the days when you would sit for weeks typing and designing everything manually. Right now, if you already know something valuable, AI can help you package that knowledge faster than you think. For example, some people know a lot about relocation, skincare, parenting, teaching, business, or everyday lifestyle tips people are constantly searching for online. AI can help you research properly, structure your ideas, package the content properly, and turn it into something people can actually buy and use. And I am not saying you should go and ask ChatGPT random questions and copy nonsense online. No, your knowledge is still important. Your experience is still important. AI simply helps you organize your ideas better, create faster, and present your knowledge more professionally. Now let's move to number two. Number two, you can use AI to create online courses. This one is something I have personally done myself. I used AI video tools to create a course on one of the biggest online learning platforms. AI helped me structure my scripts and organize my ideas better. Now listen carefully. AI did not give me the knowledge. The knowledge is still mine. But AI helped me package it professionally and faster. That thing people are always asking you to teach them, that thing people constantly come to you for advice about, you can actually turn it into a course and monetize it online. Number three, you can use AI to promote your business and run advertisements. A lot of people know how to create something, but they do not know how to market it. Right now, AI tools can help you write ad copy, create content ideas, structure campaigns, and even guide you on how to run advertisements properly. Some AI tools can literally help you simplify your marketing process so you do not feel overwhelmed. Therefore, learn how to use these tools to support your business and increase your visibility. Number four, you can learn an AI skill and monetize it on freelance platforms. If you go on platforms like Upwork right now, you will see jobs where companies are specifically asking for people who can use AI tools. I am talking about writing jobs, instructional design jobs, content creation jobs, social media jobs, research jobs, and editing jobs. And many of these things can be done remotely and even alongside your full-time work. This is important because some people think AI means quitting your job immediately. No. Some of these things are side hustles you can start building gradually while still working. Now let's move to number five. Number five, you can create AI videos and content for businesses, coaches, and course creators. This is another thing I am personally doing right now. I'm helping clients create courses using AI without them needing expensive video shoots or complicated setups. We create scripts, visuals, AI videos, and branded learning content professionally. A lot of business owners want visibility online, but they do not have time, they are camera shy, or they do not know how to create quality content consistently. If you learn this skill properly, people will absolutely pay for it. Number six, you can build AI systems for businesses. For example, when custom GPTs became popular, I created customized GPTs for schools in Nigeria. They used it to help with lesson planning and school workflow. And yes, I was able to make money from it. Later on, I even started teaching people how to create their own custom GPTs themselves. So imagine learning a skill, using it, and then teaching other people too. Number seven, you can use AI to build your personal brand and stand out in your industry. This one is very important because many talented people are invisible online. AI can help you create content faster, show up online consistently, create videos, improve your branding, organize your ideas, and build authority online. Use AI to improve what you already know. Use AI to work faster, save time, reduce stress, and become more effective at what you already do. Now let me give you a bonus point. A lot of people are using AI right now
to stand out in their industries and make more money faster.
For example, I once worked with someone in architecture who had many clients waiting for designs, but he was overwhelmed and behind schedule. After showing him how to use AI tools to speed up parts of his workflow, he was able to complete multiple designs within 1 week. Now imagine what that means financially. That is what many people still do not understand yet. AI is helping people work faster, reduce stress, save energy, deliver faster, and stand out professionally. And many industries are still behind. A lot of people in different professions still do not know how to use these AI tools effectively, which means if you learn these things early, you can stand out. So what am I saying? Do not wait until everything becomes perfect before you start. Start learning gradually. Start practicing gradually. Start experimenting gradually. So if you have been wondering how people are actually making money using AI, I hope this video has opened your eyes a little. And remember, AI is not the business by itself. The real money comes from using AI to solve problems, work faster, and make your skills more valuable. So if you want to learn how to use AI for your business, your career, your side hustle, or your personal brand, feel free to send me a DM. I will be happy to guide you.